Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series, question number 47. (16 to the power of -3 over 4 is equal to. I recommend you to review on base 2, the power of base 2. 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 2 to the power of 1, that is 2. 2 to the power of 2 is mean 2 times 2, that's what 4. 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. 2 to the power of 4, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, that is 16, and so forth. Every single step we multiply by 2. From that step to this step, we multiply by 2. From this step to this step, multiply by 2. This one, multiply by 2. And we see this one is 16 is 2 to the power of 4. That's what we're looking for in these questions. So we stop right there, but I recommend you to know up to 10 to the power 2 to the power of 10. Okay. We have to review some of the formula about the exponent property. So we can have two methods to solve for these questions. So first, we'll review on the negative powers. That will be reciprocals of the positive power. We have the A powers over the root. That is the root r of a to the power of p. Okay, the power is at the numerator. And this one is also root r of a all to the power of b. We also have a to the power of m to the power of n. This is the powers of powers, so it's equal a to the power of m multiplied by n. Okay, let's apply this one. First method, we will convert 16 to the power of -3 over 4. That will be equal to the power of 4, all to the power of -3 over 4. Because 16 equals 2 to the power of 4. Now we will apply this one, the power rule. 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by -3 over 4. Then we can cancel the 4. We have is equal to the power of -3. And now we apply this one. That will be 1 over 2 to the power of 3. And we know 2 to the power of 3, that is a. So is the correct answer. Let's do the second method. Okay, so I want to rewrite this one into radical. So I will have root 4, right, of 16 to the power of -3. Okay, now this one will be equal root 4 to the power of 2 to the power of 4 or to the power of -3. We have square root is root 2, the index is 2, right? So if we see like that, it means if under the radicand we have a times a, the radical we have like a times a, 2 factor of a of the same thing, we will take out ones. So that's why we can cancel the square with the square root. That is a. The same thing with root 4. If we have 4 factor of a inside root 4, we can take out 1. Root 4, power of 4 cancel. Okay, so this one will be 2 to the power of negative 3. We do the same thing with this one. Okay, then we have 1 over 2 to the power of 3, that is 1 over 8. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.